In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Snapchat memories. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Then, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner and select the settings. Gear in the top right. Next, scroll down the settings page and tap on Memories. From here, you can manage all of your memory settings. Where it says Save to My Eyes Only, make sure to turn this on. You might need to set up or enter a quick passcode. This helps keep your memories private. Once that's done, go back to the main Snapchat screen. Tap on Memories, which is located next to the camera icon. Here you'll see all of your saved Snapchat memories. You can also swipe through the tabs at the top to explore different categories. For example, tap on My Eyes Only, enter the passcode you created, and you'll find all your private Snapchat memories there. And that's it. Guys, that's how you can easily find and access your Snapchat memories.